Another topic we want to look at is the optional dunder_all attribute of modules. Dunder_all lets you control which attributes are imported when someone uses the from module import star syntax. If dunder_all is not specified, then from x import star imports all public names from the imported module. Dunder_all must be a list of strings, and each string indicates a name which will be imported when the star syntax is used. For example, let's see what import star does if we import our compressed modules. What we see is that import star imported the bzipped and gzipped submodules of the compressed package directly into our local namespace. What we might prefer is that import star imports the different opener functions from each of these modules. Let's update compressed dunder_init.py to do that. Now, if we use import star on reader.compressed, we get the two opener functions with new names. So dunder_all can be a useful tool for limiting what names are exposed from your modules. We still don't recommend that you use the import star syntax as a rule, but it's good to know about dunder_all since you're likely to see it in the wild.